again.
Sir, why are you laughing?
Hey. Why am I laughing? The morning, sir. Everything is fine, right? Everything is fine. How is it? How is it?
Sir, this is the line. You have to wait for 10 minutes. Go to the bar.
You are crossing the line. You know how many times I've insulted you over crossing the line, and I see you crossing the line here. If you don't go back, I don't know if you're normal. Yes. That you carry your legs like this and walk like this, and then want to cross it. Why? Because of what? Because of what? Why? Who gave you that effort? What God do you have to cross it? I'm spitting on you. I'm spitting on you. What? You know what you did to me before I was saying I'm telling you I'm spitting on you. Oh, but you don't know why you're 10 minutes that I'm laughing at you. That I'm laughing because of what? Because of what? See, if you don't know me now, know me. I'm an investor. They don't play with me. They don't call me the big boy for no reason. If you know why, if you know the school I graduated from, if you know the degree I collected, if you know how many buildings I've built, if you know how many all companies I manage, so. Me what to do. I look like a child to you. Now I mean people who are sincere, who are sense. Tell you lifestyle. Lifestyle what? Lifestyle.
Oh, yeah, it's true. I am also a lifestyle. My client will soon be here, and once he comes, he will pay me, and I will leave him the stress to wait this long line.
Okay, let's go.
My friend, you said 10,000 naira I'm paying for 30 minutes, right?
10,000. 10,000. Hey! Money has come. 10,000. Okay, now that you're standing, what is it? Now that I'm standing, what is it? Hey! 10,000. 10,000 today. I'm collecting my own share. Okay, let me stand in your place. Then you pay me 10,000.
Which one? Boss wants you to come and go inside your cleaner job. You want to go and clean the toilet.
I'm not a cleaner. I have a
See, I beg you this place now. I have seen what I need. Please give it.
If you ask to mention works, jobs, or careers, most of us will mention doctors, lawyers, accountants, and teachers.
Yes, musicians, actors, actresses, they all pay well. So it's a good job for a line standard.
Most of us focus on the well-known jobs, forgetting about the rare jobs that exist, such as professional cuddler, golf ball driver, and even a paper towel sniffer.
Yes, I'm good. Yes, I'm sure my bouncer told you about your new cleaner job, right?
Cleaner. Okay. Premise a mistake. There are many children in the country. Nowadays in Nigeria, it's very hard to find a good job, right? See, I graduated from Odo University. You see, in Sokoto or Zaria, with a 10th degree, and you're telling me I'm cleaner. Cleaner in which country? In which country again? I applied for an investor. See, this one that you're saying is also discussion because there was so dumb traffic in this one, that's governor junction. Give me cleaner. I will not collect any cleaner. See, I'm not a child. I will not play with you here. I am an investor. So if you are not giving me investor job, don't give me anything. The one I'm cleaning at home, don't I get?
Hey, sit down. Don't bamba. You want to chill with the big boy? Are you even getting yourself? You got a third class one and you want to work as an investor in this prestigious institution. Man, there's no need that will be managing the finances in this place. Mama, will you get out of here? Go and find your work. Get out. Get out. Get out. Kind nonsense.
forget to pack the toiletries.
Okay, Mom.
Everyone is packing and you're here listening to music.
We are training you for the future. Simple house chores you cannot even do. And to get good grades is another problem. You have done 4 semesters of medicine and you have not made an A. All you invest in is playing silly songs and dancing.
No, Dad, that's not why. It's because I'm not studying what I want to study. But all of that ends now, Sha.
What's that?
What is that supposed to mean?
I'm transferred to music school.
What?
Hey!
And with whose permission did you transfer to music?
It's about the money. Musicians get highly paid for just singing. If Dad were a musician, we would have been living in a mansion by now.
I hope this phone is on speaker. You think money is everything. No, money is nothing. Integrity, are you listening? Integrity is everything. You know what happened? Your dad had an opportunity to join those worldly musicians. They gave him an offer that nobody else could refuse. But your father said no. You don't know how lucky you are to be part of this family.
Linda, I would advise you to go for what you really want and not what money will earn you. Because your interest should come first. Coming from me who loves money, money isn't everything. Wait, where are you going? To capitalize on that hunger and get ice cream for myself.
Welcome everyone to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Today we have Chooks Uche on the spotlight today. He'll be given a few questions to earn a whopping 10 million naira. He has 30 seconds to answer these questions or else he loses all his money. Now, okay Chooks, for the first 5 million naira, person A has the following skills: good stamina, strong legs, powerful muscles, and flexibility. What career would be best for him? A doctor, B, a teacher, C, an athlete, or D, a musician.
I'm going to go with athlete.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
He is correct!
Yes! I'm going to go! Yes! Come on!
Okay, for the rest of the 10 million naira, person B has the following skills: friendly, understanding, short-tempered, and a good listener. What career would be best for him? A, an artist, B, a musician, or C, an athlete again, or D, a therapist. You can have a 50-50, a clue, or to call someone else to help you.
I want to call. Hey. Jide Alpha.
Oh, I'm good.
Please, quick, I need your help to answer this question. So, the person who is a good listener, understanding, short-tempered, please, what career will suit that person? Is it artist or athlete?
Oh, because of that, short temper. Oh, there's no possible. That's why.
Please, the other options are therapist and rapper.
Oh, so there's therapist and you must say it before. Well, one, I've gone with I should never tell
Please, I have my answer. The answer is a therapist.
Are you 100% sure?
Please, I'm sure, you're making me doubt too.
And he is correct!
Let's go! 10 million! When I said 10, you said million! 10 million! 10 million! Let's go! Yes!
And thank you for tuning in to Benue TV on Who
of your skills, it helps make the career choice process faster and easier. Thank you for watching Benue House Assembly on Work and Career. Remember, it's never too late to make your career choice. Remember, turn it down. Thank you.